Hello, Stephen Tech Buzz, we're back at the Pamu Z1's. Been using these for a while now, and they are a really pair of excellent earbuds. They've been pretty solid for all our products throughout. We've tested all our earbuds, and this is their latest, and you can see their design has totally changed, and it's really nice as well, and they fit really well in ears and they're not going to fall out. So that's important. So on the app here you can see the ANC on, ANC off, and you've got transparency mode, which is cool. And if you go further into the app, then you have your firmware update, which we've got an update since we've got them. You can customise your key functions here, double click, left and right, and volume up and down. But also you can skip the track, increase the volume, decrease the volume, and this can be allocated either side, left or right. And you've got ANC, voice assistant, all that stuff there built into the app. So you're really getting great value for money. So you've also got your replaceable belts, which is really cool, and I do like the colour they have here. This is really cool. So you've got ANC function here, you've got 2 modes, and also in there you have got other settings, and you have game mode, and you've got your custom EQ in here. So you can change your EQ settings there as well, which is nice. You have pop, normal, rock, jazz, and vocal and classic. I think the pop sounds good on this. That's just my hearing. Everyone's hearing is going to be different. So also you get 6.5 hours per charge, which is good, up to 24 hours with the case. You've got really good calls as well, and really clear. You've got 10mm drivers built in with a 5.2 Bluetooth chip, so everything is good. Calls are really good and really clear, which is important, and a lot of people like that. The fit is really good. Once you have the right tips, they'll fit really well, and the ANC works really good too. And again, you've got your 6 EQs built in, so overall you're getting a good setup. But when you think of it as well, you're getting the app access, which is really nice overall. So for music, calls, everything like that, they work really well, and they've been quite good. For your gaming, they're excellent because you've got that gaming option as well, which brings the low latency, and for anything really, they're really quite good. Volume is decent as well, which is something I like to have, which isn't probably too good for my ears and my age, but however, that's just how I like to listen to my music, with headphones or earbuds. So as I said, you've got your settings there, and the customization keys. I really like all this stuff here that's present in the earbuds. We want to quickly pop them into the ears and show you. So if we go into a music player, the volume is tap and hold, like so, as you can see. And on the opposite side, I'll just do the same thing. No problem there. And we press play. You can see the track skipping there now. And if you test the opposite side, the track will reverse. So that's how they will work there, and it's a simple tapping area here. You have a big area to mess with there as well, and they're not small here, so you have enough to just basically tap it about there, and you should be fine. So that really wraps it up for this. They're really cool pair of earbuds, and I like this feature too. When you pop them in the case, you get this light on the side as well, which is nice. That comes on when they're in the case to let you know that they're connected to the side, and it'll go off after a minute. Really cool idea. You can see there is a little Pamu name on it there up on top. So that basically wraps it up. Do check them out. We'll leave a link below to where you can pick them up, and they come in a load of different colours as well, which is really cool. And you can get these replaceable bands as well, which you can switch things up at. You know, it's good to see something like this come onto earbuds. Like, you can get new cases for your mobile phones, and you can switch things around, make it look different every now and then, but it's not often you see something like this come around to be able to customise your case and change the colour, which is really a good idea as well. So that's it. Thanks for watching. The company seen the review at the same time as you, didn't pay us any commission. That's how we work here at techbuzzrun.com. And that's about it for the Pamu Z1 on techbuzzrun.com. Do check out the others that we've covered on the site. We've done them all, and any comments you want, just leave them down below if you need to know anything else. We've covered everything there, and that's really about it. You can't go wrong for the money, which is basically what I'm saying. Again, Apple AirPods have had their day with their silly pricing. There's no need to spend money on them when you get a better product at a cheaper price that give you more options. That's it, thanks for watching, see you soon.